Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring power. Charge your AirPods and case to at least 20% so pairing won't fail. Next, open Bluetooth on your phone or tablet. On iPhone, go to Settings Bluetooth. On Android, open Bluetooth in Settings. Now place the AirPods in the closed case, hold the case next to your device, then press and hold the rear setup button until the status light flashes white. This starts discovery mode and tells your device to search for the AirPods. Once the AirPods appear in your device's Bluetooth list, tap their name to connect. You'll see a confirmation or animation on compatible devices. After connecting, go into Bluetooth device settings to map controls. Double tap or press gestures can play /pause, skip tracks, or summon voice assistant. Choose what works for you. Also enable automatic ear detection so audio routes correctly and set microphone preference to left, right, or automatic. These steps ensure reliable controls, and the best to use, place AirPods in your ears and adjust for a snug fit. Clean ear tips regularly to maintain sound quality. When done, return them to the case to charge automatically and protect them. If audio or mic issues persist, reset the AirPods. With the case open, hold the setup button for about 15 seconds until the light flashes amber then white, then repair. If they won't connect, toggle Bluetooth, choose Forget this device, and repeat the pairing process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.